The Department of Information Technology and Communications, Government of Meghalaya, on the 21st of September 2021 had felicitated SSLC toppers of the state at the YOJANA BHAVAN in Shillong. The Minister in charge of IT and Communications, HAMLETSON was the chief guest on the occasion. 37 out of a total of 162 students had received laptops from the concerned department, while the rest of them would be felicitated on a later date as per COVID protocols. HAMLETSON, while addressing the gathering, appealed to the students to strive forward as they are the future of the state and the nation.
Thank you, sir. Lord Amman from Sslc Higher Secondary School, Shillong, Krishna Mission Higher Secondary School, Cherapati.
Who will come and sit here, etc., to run this beautiful state? Of course, we need officer also from the state to come to the state. Well, fine. But we will love to see that our own young person here will change over to run the state. This is the importance of this program. We recognize your hard work, we recognize your achievement, but please don't make useless.
Those present during the function included the Commissioner and Secretary of the IT Department, Government of Meghalaya, M.R. Sundrem, the Director, K.L. Nongbri, and other officials of the concerned department.